Okay, after you install VCarve Desktop, double click to open it. You're going to go into the file. You're going to click File, Open Application Data folder. In there, you're going to look for Post IP. Third folder down, double click to open that. There should be like 450 plus files in here, and like I think a folder or two. Delete everything in this folder. Control A, to select all and delete them all. And then you're going to copy and paste this file that I emailed you into this folder, and that is really all you do. This file is also on the server. I have listed in the email where to find this file on the server, but it should be pretty easy. Once you do that, you can just close it, and it should be set. All right, thanks. Bye.